Breeze Vlog is back for another day. Keep watching and you will find a way. Leave, comment, subscribe and thumb, because here she comes. Breeze Vlog, watch out, it's Breeze Vlog. Breeze Vlog, watch out, it's Breeze Vlog. Leave, comment, subscribe and thumb, because here I come.
Hopelessly devoted to you. I love this song. No, don't forget. I don't know the words. But yeah, I'm watching my favorite movie in the whole wide world, Grief. And go hold on to it. That's what I tend to do. I'm hopelessly devoted to you. But now there's nowhere to hide and set your love aside. I turn on my head, hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. She sees Danny in the water. So excited. I love this movie. Okay, so I was watching the part where they do the summer lovin' had me a blast. Summer lovin' happy. Yeah, you know that part, yeah. And I was watching Shay Carl's video, funny, same time, and he was like at the place where they filmed Grease. That's like crazy. So yeah, like I don't know if you guys probably don't know this about me, but when I was little, like I mean like 5 years old, and this movie's kind of like has like adult situations and stuff, you know. I was 5 years old. I would watch this movie like 10 times a day. Literally, you can ask my parents. 10 times a day I would watch this movie. But yeah, so I gotta talk to you guys again. I decided something else. I made a new decision. That, excuse me, I burped. Ew, I'm so gross. Anyway, I made a decision that I'm going to make a vlog. I'm gonna keep doing it everyday vlogs, but they're gonna be really short. And since they're going to be so short that I'm going to just put the week's vlogs together in one video. And write the dates on the description, like what days is which. So hopefully that works out. Because I really want to keep doing this because I really like it. It's just I don't want it to interfere with my schoolwork. So maybe on the weekends I'll just like render the video or something. So that's what I'm going to do. Uploading this weekend's videos. And watching Grease Lightning. Go Grease Lightning, go on and get down. Go Grease Lightning, go Grease Lightning. Medic. How do I Oh, dramatic. Why it's Grease Lightning? Hold on. Go on. Go Grease Lightning, go Grease Lightning, go Grease Lightning. Grease Lightning, go Grease Lightning, Lightning. Go. Okay. Okay, I'm out of breath now, so I'm gonna go. Gotta get ready for soccer practice. So I'll see you guys later. Here's the bathroom. Beauty school dropouts go back to high school. Beauty school dropouts go back to high school.